This is a video on how to make a tree decoration. This is a star decoration and it's a simple step-by-step video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more upcoming tutorials. So I've chosen two colours for my fabric and I'm going to cut it 10.5 inches by 3 inches and we're going to cut this 4 times. Now it's time to fold our fabric to make the strips. So if you fold it in half and push down, and then we're going to fold again to the middle, and then repeat this the other side. And then fold this in half again. This is easier when pressed with an iron, and repeat this on all 4 strips. Now we've got all our strips pressed, we're going to now measure 2 inches at the end and we need to fold over the strip. Make sure you leave 2 inches at the end and repeat this on all the strips. Now we're going to make a square shape with our fabric. We're going to make sure we put the rough end into the folded end and repeat this as we go around. Now we're going to interlock this fabric together. So what I'm going to do is slowly move each piece of fabric closer to each other. We have interlocked the fabric, we're going to turn this over and fold over the long strips of fabric. We start with the first one and then the second goes on top and then we repeat. When we get to the last one, we will fold it over and then we will tuck it in so it is nice and secure. Now it's time to make the triangles for the star. What we're going to do is the pieces at the end, we take one piece and then we fold this over. Then we turn over the fabric and then we fold it down so it makes a little triangle. Make sure the point at the top is very pointed and not overlapping. We then fold this over again and then we tuck this excess fabric in, or you can trim it down if needed. And there we have a little triangle. We repeat this on all strips going around. This is probably the most fiddliest part. I did take some of my triangles out at the end and redid them as I wasn't happy with the end result. The strips of fabric you can pull and adjust so it's a bit tighter if needed. This is the end result of my star. I'm going to trim off some of that excess fabric, and now I'm going to move on to putting the string so the star can hang. Now I'm hand sewing some cotton onto the top of the star so it can hang. I have done a secure stitch, made a loop, and then done another secure stitch at the end so it stays in place. You can always use a glue gun and glue some string on for the star to hang.